Horses out as expected. We have Valiente gets away immediately. Power over alongside 30's Cambro. Then 2.5 lengths for the back in port. Jupiter Thunder. J. Nicole Play. Aday Play. Running by Drellis. Hurry up. And trails the field. This Executive Order. Valiente by about 2 lengths. Power over in second. Cambro in third. Hurry up. Moving up by Drell Porta. Alongside Pip moving up. Jupiter Thunder. J. Nicole. Executive Order. And Playa Ray Playa. They swing into the back. Power over. Takes the lead. Valiente. Draws back in second. Cambro. Jupiter Thunder. Also moving up on the outside. This time 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Power over. Cambro takes the lead. It's now Cambro moving up. Hurry up by Drell. It's now Hurry Up takes the lead. Cambro draws back in second as they come down to the last 200. Hurry Up racing wide. Cambro once again down on the inside. Hurry Up. Cambro is running by Drell, but it's still Hurry Up. Cambro is down on the inside. Cambro once again back to 2 lengths lead over Hurry Up. Entering the finish line, it's Cambro. Second, Hurry Up, Executive Order, Jupiter Thunder.
All right.